There are a lot of different things I actually love about being an ER doctor. Number one, the medicine. I do really love patient stabilization. It keeps me engaged in my work. I'm always seeing different types of cases. That also allows me to continue to learn. I don't have a time limit for the amount of time I spend with clients to explain what's going on with their pet. That allows me to do a really good job and make sure that they understand what's going on with their pet. I think it's a really good work-life balance to be an ER doctor working at MedVet. I can give 100% of my attention to my clients and patients while I'm there. And then when I'm home, I can give 100% of my attention to my friends, my family, my own pets. I think the thing that makes MedVet really special in Columbus is the fact that we are able to provide collaborative care to patients. So what that means is when a patient comes in through the ER, I'm there to provide initial stabilization. However, the next step past that oftentimes is to have a specialist provide a diagnostic workup. So say a patient comes in congestive heart failure. I can diagnose that, I can treat that. The cardiologist needs to do an echocardiogram to understand what type of heart disease this patient has. What is their prognosis? What do their medications need to look like long term? I really get to work down the hall from the smartest people in our field, and that keeps me top of the line as an ER doctor, but it also allows me to provide the best care to patients, and that's just not accessible at every emergency room. So I think that's really special about MedVet Columbus. I really love the people that I work with. I think colleagues can make or break a work environment, and I'm so lucky to work with some really amazing people that make it fun for me to go into work and make it something that I look forward to. The other thing is I really love the clients that I get to work with every day. I find that the clients at MedVet Columbus tend to be very, very appreciative. I am delivering a lot of tough news, and even in those scenarios where I'm having a really hard conversation, I find that clients are so appreciative that I can provide them an answer in many situations, or at least a really good clinical judgment for what is most likely going on with their patient. It's not uncommon that I see pets that have been going to their vet for months on end for a condition, and they come to MedVet Columbus to be at a specialty hospital referral center, and within a very short period of time, I can facilitate getting them with the specialist that they need to get an answer for their underlying problem. And owners are so appreciative of that. Lastly, I would say that I really love making a difference for patients and clients, you know, being a part of their journey, sometimes on the most difficult day that they will experience with their pet. I love being able to be that person that can help make the difference. So don't forget to visit a MedVet near you if your pet is in the unfortunate circumstance of experiencing an emergency.